Good morning, everyone. It is Wednesday, and today is another episode of Sign Carvers of the Day, or SCOTDs. That's where we take projects that you guys have done and email to us, and then we showcase those on our SCOTD episodes. These are 10/14/24 through 11/7 of 24. In case you don't know, we don't really have sponsors, so to speak. We actually fund our business on people going to our website and buying supplies. So we've got hundreds and hundreds of supplies. Many of these signs were carved by people that follow us and buy supplies from us. So if that's something that interests you, makeawoodsign.com. We so appreciate it. On Saturday, we are going to be in the Phoenix area, in Chandler specifically, at Woodcraft, and we're doing a demo there. There's a big event going on, big sales, all kinds of things, lots of vendors. If you're in the Phoenix area, this coming Saturday, come by and say howdy. If you have any questions, that would be a great way to come by and we can actually answer your questions. And it's just going to be a fun. Anytime we can get out in the public and make sawdust, it's a good day. Anyway, all right, let's get going. Shane Northridge, this is 12mm plywood. Shane has been following us for years. He's a truly gifted sign carver. 15x30 is the size of this one. It's inlaid with resin mixed with acrylic paints. Everything that Shane does has lots of color, just spectacular stuff. Great job, buddy. Again, another terrific sign. Next we have Marcus O'Quinn. This is his very first signs. Nice work on this. The top one looks like it's maybe paneling or something like that. Looks like it was glued together. I'm not sure, might be pallet wood. The other two, actually they all look that way, but some of them dark, some of them light. Marcus, I hope you're having fun, man. Great work. Keep it up, buddy. Hope you just keep going with it. Send us more pictures in the future. Timothy Saxon, this is 12x17.5, and I absolutely love it. Obviously a Halloween theme, and this reminds me of the old TV show Bewitched. That looks like her logo from Bewitched. Elizabeth Montgomery, I believe it was. For those of you old enough to know who she was, every man in the free world was in love with that lady. Anyway, great job, Timothy. I think it's terrific. You probably could sell a lot of these around the Halloween holiday. Next we have Frank Gaffney. Nice work on this. I love the way you did the coloring and the icicles on coldest. Great pick of colors. Everything looks good, buddy. I like the notched corners with the chamfer on there. It looks like it's pine. I don't know for sure, but that's what it looks like. Terrific job, Frank. Keep it up, buddy. Next we have Cole Hanstead. Hope I'm saying that right, Cole. 18x22 pine. Used espresso stain on the trim, which is a great contrast to the pine. Made this for his cousin, 3-generation cabin in the Rocky Mountains. Man, doesn't that sound cool. Awesome job. Nice and simple. Everything's inset, but you're holding a great line there, Cole. Terrific job. I'm sure everybody loves it. Keep it up, buddy. Next, we have an 18-inch round from Lowe's. And this is Stephen Carey. Terrific artwork on here. I don't know where you got that design, but really cool. Again, I think this is one that could sell big time during the Halloween holiday. People are nuts about Halloween decorations. Use a profile bit and the 90. I'm sure everybody just faints over this thing. Terrific work, buddy. Next, we have Richard Hotchkiss. This is 3 different signs here. The top 2 were for a customer to give to a chief and deputy chief at the end of their year dinner. The bottom one is for Richard's granddaughter, made out of an old TV tray, who is a big Taylor Swift fan. Use the profile, the 60, the 90, and the carving liner. Again, guys, that's kind of refers to our router bits. We have specific router bits that we use. If you have any questions, let us know, but they're all over there at makeawoodsign.com. So go check them out. Terrific job, Richard. Love it, buddy. Second sign from Bob Josjor. But this one's really cool. This is his second sign, and it's a mixture of freehand carving and laser work. The name of his shop is House of the Dancing Monkey. And that's kind of what his sign is here, his shop sign. It was his wife's idea. I absolutely love it. Great picture. I love everything about it. I love the way you're working together, laser stuff and freehand carving. Your background around your letters looks really good. Kind of reminds me of my dimple effect. Terrific job, Bob. I hope you're carving more signs, buddy. Next we have Ryan Gibbons. This is a retirement gift made out of cedar fencing. Ryan found us last fall and now has carved several different projects, and obviously you have a knack for this. There's a lot of straight lines there. This cannot be an easy carve, especially putting the grain vertical like this. Terrific job, Ryan. You're a really nice sign carver. Keep it up, buddy. I hope you're having fun. I love it. Kevin Thrasher, this is his third sign. This is all pine. I love the colors. Doing white background is never easy to do. I don't know if you hand painted it. I don't know any of the details as far as that goes, but boy, it sure came out nice. I love it. Great job, Kevin. Hope you're having fun, buddy. Next, we have Darlene Tarlton. This one is awesome. Obviously made for a campaign. This was before the election, obviously, for a GOP candidate. Large commission job. Darlene, if you don't know, is the grandmother of one of our favorite people, Rowdy Tarlton, back in North Carolina. We had the pleasure of meeting them and hanging out with them a few years ago when we were back there. Great job, Darlene. Looks absolutely terrific. I'm sure everybody loves it. Next we have Ben Quirk, and Ben's son is Max, who is pictured here with his wrestling coach. And Max has been carving signs. Max and Ben have both been carving signs for a while. And this one's made out of teak wood cutting board. Carved the Clemson tiger paw and added the handles. Looks fantastic. I'm sure the coach absolutely loved it. Great job, both Ben and Max. Next we got Bob Blewett. These stars are carved freehand. Another beautiful wavy flag. Not sure how you're doing those stars on a wavy flag. That's got to be tricky. Terrific job. Absolutely love it. Got a burned look on there, but the wavy flags are super popular. Thank God. God bless America. Keep it up, Bob. Hope you're selling lots of them, buddy. Next we have Stephen Esden. This one's really cool. This is the first sign that he did years ago. A co-worker lost a son to suicide. Another co-worker had gifted a tree to the family that lost the son, and Stephen decided they needed a sign for the tree, and that's where this sign is actually going. He didn't know how to carve signs. He found us, and now Stephen carves signs all the time, and he's a great sign carver. Thank you for sending this to us, Stephen. I know you've come a long way in your sign carving journey for sure. Looks terrific. All right, this one is a long one. This is from Paul Heilman. This is his first sign 7 years ago. Before that, he'd never touched a router and wanted to make a sign for his brother-in-law. Found our videos, and this was the result. Then he started making signs to give to people. He started a carved sign ministry. All the signs would have a Bible verse on the back. He gave signs to church leaders, Walmart employees, gas station workers, 7-Eleven workers, wherever the Spirit led him. To date, he's made over 4,000 signs. Unbelievable. Amazing. Hasn't bought a piece of wood in over 4 years. A local contractor and mill shop gives them all of their scrap. Talked to Paul and gave his permission to share this testimony as long as God gets all the glory. Awesome job, Paul. Fantastic. What a great story. Love it, love it, love it. Next we have Justin Kent. This one is really cool. I love the design. The layout is nice and balanced. I just love everything about it. It looks like you've got a stain on there, maybe a gunstock stain. That's what it looks like to me on maybe a piece of pine. I just love the whole design of this thing. I think you could definitely sell these if you made these for people. The design with the mountains on there and the other artwork just looks fantastic. Great job, Justin. Rich Boyce. Rich has been following us for a long time. So that Halloween sign was an old TV tray. That's really popular these days. That was going to the fire pit. So he repurposed that. It looks terrific. The middle love sign was a piece of inexpensive poplar. You don't always have to use expensive wood to make nice looking signs. Terrific job, Rich, as always. Keep it up, buddy. This one's really cool. This is from Mark Seifert. This picture is actually AI generated. This is Mark's daughter's new golden retriever. He just used rapid resizer after he had AI create the picture, used the carving liner, the profile bit, the 60, and the chamfer bit. Fantastic job, Mark. Absolutely love it. Man, AI. Creating pictures with AI, and that is really a cool thing. I think it's a coming thing. Next we have CJ Jensen, 18-inch round from Lowe's, carving liner and a profile bit. Fantastic. I love the design, and that round, I'm not sure it's pine, but it might be poplar. It almost has a green tint to it. I'm not sure. Some of those rounds from Lowe's are not fun to carve, not easy to carve, but you pulled it off well, CJ. There's a lot of straight lines on there, and you did a great job. I love the design. That's probably could be a big seller as well. Last but not least, we have Eric Burrows. This is his very first sign. He's an artist, so that's a big plus. If you happen to be an artist and a sign carver, oh my gosh. He needed to make a sign, found our videos, and this is the results. So this is his very first sign. Yeah, fantastic job, Eric. You're holding a good line. So the fact that you're an artist, your life experience really is going to come into play. You could be a fantastic sign carver. Obviously, from this, you've got a knack for this. You're holding a great line with that router. Terrific job. So there it is, guys. Another great group of SCOTDs. If you guys have projects that you want to email to me, definitely do that. The only thing is, there has to be at least a 30-day space in between them. We get so many pictures, we get inundated. That's why we're running so far behind. So if you send me a picture, keep track of the date that you send that picture. I will always answer you back if I received it. If you don't get an answer back from me, send it again, because somehow maybe it got lost in the spam folder or something like that. Thanks again so much for watching. Hopefully we'll see you if you're in the Phoenix area. Come by Woodcraft over in Chandler. We'll see you this coming weekend. Stay warm out there, guys. It's cold. Love you. We'll see you on the next one. Bye-bye.